Hello and welcome to another video here on Humble Unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Beurer Physioline massage gun. It's the massage gun MG 99 and well, it's just basically a normal massage gun that I bought. Alright, let's first have a look at the package. It comes, and you can't really see with these different attachments to massage different parts and different to give different types of massages. Yeah. Alright, the MG99. Nothing too interesting on here. I have to say here is the full massage gun and the kind of, let's say, adapters, attachments is the word they use. Right, it's produced in Germany, in Ulm, and yeah. Alright, I would say that is it for the outside. Let's get into the product. Let's actually unbox it, and here we go. Let's open it up. We get the manual. Oh, it's quite a hefty one. How many pages does it have? Probably different, oh yeah, different languages. 122 in all types of languages. This one is in, what language is this? Something in Nordic. Oh, here you go, Finnish. So yeah, in all these different languages, you got German, English, French, Spanish, Italian, Turkish, Russian, Polish, Dutch, what is the A? Danish, SV Slovakian, probably, and Norwegian and Finnish. Alright, then here the warranty. Alright, and the massage gun itself. We already have these different attachments that we can take out once we have this fork thingy. And then over here, if I can get it out, we have this ball thingy. And it's made from like hard foam, I would say. Then this straight attachment. And then this what would you call that, like stomping attachment. And we have the charging cable. It's USB-C, which is perfect. And then the massage gun itself, which I'm gonna take out now. Whoop, and here we go. This is what the massage gun looks like. I have about an average sized hand. Fits perfectly in your hand. And then here you've got the front. You've got the front to put the attachments in. And yeah, to the top, it's probably a display, maybe. Doesn't have a battery now. Trying to start it. Doesn't have. It's probably a screen to show how much battery is left, or like what kind of program you're using, I don't know. And then here you have the on and off switch. It's not charged right now, so it doesn't work. I have to charge it. Down here, oh, I have to turn it on. Smart me. Charging port down here. Because it's USB-C, it's fairly unnoticeable, I would say. Let's turn it on. Let's maybe put in an attachment. Maybe this one. Oh, up and in, and then oh, it's on. Oh, I don't think I put it in properly. How does that work? I think now it's in properly. No? Yeah, now it's good. And then probably you can't really see. For me, this thingy is well, shining bright, but for you it isn't. I'm gonna press once. Oh yeah, you can see on the camera, that's so funny. And then you can change, you can make it faster, even faster. It has five different options, and then off. If I put it on and then hold it for a long time, it goes off. Perfect. You have 3 battery lights and 5 like power lights. Up here is nothing. I don't think that does anything. But yeah, that's a nice massage gun, I would say. Oh. Alright. Well, let me pack all the things together right now. Alright. Well, let's get that a bit better. Well, that was it for this unboxing of the Beurer Physioline MG99 massage gun, the deep tissue massager. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like on this video. Hope you enjoyed and have a great day. Bye bye.